We're gonna see if we can make $1,000 trading gold this morning. So I see a beautiful setup here and I'm gonna go.
Order filled.
Let's see how it does. And I'll explain my setup in just a second, but this looked awesome, which is why I jumped in on it. What I did is I shorted, meaning I think it's gonna drop down and hit that green box. And I have a stop loss here in case it doesn't, but the goal here is making about $1,000. As you can see, my take profit, which is the green box, is about 1120. Let's move it up a little bit. We'll make it about 1,000. And then I'll bring the stop loss down as the blue line progresses toward my goal, which is downward. Now, some of you might say, what was your setup? Right, well, I will show you that right now while we're waiting for the trade to occur. So basically, when I see a trend like this, where I see gold heading down, while the orange line, which is the Dow Jones, is heading up, I see that as downward pressure on the blue line. That's what I see that as. I see that the blue line wants to drop down. I also look at the white line to decide when I'm gonna enter. And the way it works is simply, you'll notice that the white line tends to match up with reversal points. So when it's way up here, it tends to want to drop. What's way down here, it tends to want to go up. You can see that with the dotted line, right? So right now it's way up here. Plus we have the downward pressure of, I'm actually going to throw in some more because this is going to give me an even bigger play. Check this out.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was a good move, you'll see. So I just increased the amount I could make by about 500. Anyway, this white line shows me that it wants to start pushing down again. Okay, this is called the relative strength index. Let's get rid of these zigzags and let's see how the trade plays out.
Order filled.
Okay, so what I did is called dollar cost averaging. That brings the break even closer to the existing position value. It's risky, I don't recommend it, but I feel like there's a lot of indications saying that it's gonna go the direction that I want it to go. There's about 4 or 5 things saying that it wants to drop right now. So I'd like to take advantage of those things and see if I can wager on them. We'll see how that goes. So now it's just a waiting game. Now I'm wagering that it's gonna drop this distance from here to here. There's multiple factors telling me that it'll do that, so cross my fingers, it's headed in the right direction. Let's go, 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 go. Come on, you got this, let's go. We're up 380 right now. Pop down, let's go, come on. Come on. Let's get there. All right, I'm gonna do what I call protecting my trade, where I put this right here. And it guarantees that I make some profit, which is kind of fun. See, my stop loss is now $240. So I'll either make 1,200 right now, or I will make 240. Those are my 2 possibilities with this trade. It's pretty fun, right? Learning to use the system isn't that hard. We actually teach it, we walk you through it in our club.
Order filled.
Boom! Yes! Okay, we made 1,200 bucks. That was a little longer than usual of a trade. Yeah, this has been fun. The payouts are fun. If you guys want to learn how to do this, I've got a free course. You just type the word free in the comments and I'll show you exactly how to do this.